Hi, I'm Gabriel with Absen. We're in booth C7236, and today we're looking at our brand new V3. This is our 1.2 LED video wall. It's 30,000 to 1 contrast. You can see the dark definitions and the pop. You can see that 3D look to it. It's also 95% DCI compliant, which means you have one of the best color gambits here at the show. You can see the bark, the woods, the leaves, the colors, the reds. It's one of these things that makes your image pop, your vibe. You can express your vibe better that way. One of the cool things about this is that most walls are under 1,000 nits. This is 1,600 nits. So if you wanted to put this behind a window or a storefront and draw your audience into your location, this is the perfect screen for that. It's also CLB technology, so if you were to put your hand on it and feel the texture, it's nice and smooth. It kind of feels like warm butter, which is kind of cool. So once again, this is my name is Gabe. I'm with Absen. This is booth number 7236, and you're looking at our brand new CL series V3. Thank you.